Yes,
Good
Mr.
morning, my beloved students, and today I'm joined here with my beloved grade 4E. So today we will have Readers and Writers Notebook, page 253. Then we will jump to the reading. Walid, can you please tell me what is the meaning of the synonym and antonym? Huh.
Synonym, its meaning, he tell you the meaning of the word.
Very good. So synonyms are words that mean almost the same thing.
Same thing.
Very good. And the antonyms?
Opposite of
The
word. The
opposite
word.
meanings. Very good. The
Meaning of
opposite
word.
meanings. Can you start reading, please?
At the village square, the importance was relentless as she pushed her way through the
The
quickly yelling
apprentice was relentless.
was relentless as she pushed her way through the quickly yielding crowd.
Yielding crowd.
Wielding crowd. She wanted to see the street
Magician.
magician,
Magician.
uh, magician. Yeah. No one knew his in-
Identity.
identity, as it was. Think this lack of familiarity that made
Familiarity. Familiarity.
familiar that made him a mystery the girl
That
could
made him a mystery.
mystery.
Yes. Thank you very much, Walid. Let's have our next student, Yusuf Fathi.
Yes, mister.
Start reading, please. The girl.
The girl got to inspect the magic hat. He claimed it was empty. Indeed, it looked hollow to her. But then he pulled out a dove from the hat. He claimed to read minds, but most of the time he was more in, inaccurate,
Inaccurate
inaccurate than
precise.
precise.
Thank you, Yusuf. Faris Rami. Faris Rami.
Yes, mister.
Read, please, the little.
What's the law? The little girl believed in investigation and analysis of his process would reveal the magician's secret.
Very good. It would reveal the magician's secrets. Okay, so here we have the first question, Faris. What is to empty as untamed to wild? Okay, untamed to wild is a synonym or an antonym?
Antonym.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Tamed animals are the animals that we keep at home. Tamed animals are the animals that we keep at home. So untamed, do we keep them at home?
What?
Tamed animals are the animals that we keep at home, okay?
Yeah.
Untamed. Now, if we put the word un, which means not tamed animals, do we keep not tamed animals at home, like bears?
No.
No, very good. So what? So this is a synonym or an antonym to wild?
Cinnamon.
Synonym, very good. So what is the synonym of empty?
Untamed.
No. There is a word here in the text that is a synonym to empty? Hmm. There's a word that means empty. A word that means, huh? Amazing, guys. Huh? Let's ask for help. Adam, can you help us?
Yes.
Huh? What is the same word as empty?
Hollow.
Hollow. Very good. Amazing. It is hollow. It is
Hollow.
hollow. Thank you very much, Faris and Adam. You were of a great help. Thank you very much for that. Yusuf Ahmed.
Yes, miss.
Huh? Read the
Damage is destruction as investigation is okay. Damage is to destruction as investigation is to analysis.
analysis. Amazing. Very good. Thank you very much for that, Yusuf. Abdurrahman.
Yes, mister.
Huh? Your turn.
Heroic is to
Heroic. Heroic.
heroic is to card cardworthy as what is to yielding.
Yielding.
What means
You know what is the meaning of yielding?
No.
Giving up.
Giving up.
Yes. So yielding is giving up.
It's precious. Mister,
Huh?
it's identity.
You're so close, but no. Huh?
Okay.
Qusay.
Maybe I know.
Mister.
Qusay, what is the answer?
Mister.
It is relentless.
Relentless.
Amazing.
Relentless.
Relentless. Very good.
He
It's
said
relentless. Amazing, 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 amazing. Thank you, Qusay. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Yahya.
Yes, miss.
Familiarity is to something as biologist to scientist.
Bakeries.
What?
Bakeries.
Bakeries?
No. Bakeries is one the scientist put in it.
Let's ask for help. Tariq.
yes. Lecture.
Lecture? Are you sure? Muhammad?
Yes, here.
Huh? What do you think the answer is?
Teacher, what is the meaning of familiarity?
Familiarity, which means something familiar.
Mm,
Its
I say
identity. Its
Identity.
identity. Okay.
I was
Very
Identity.
much,
I was
guys.
say
Yusuf Rafat.
Hello, Mister.
Read, please.
Brawl is a sentence incorrect is true.
Dull is to brilliant, as inaccurate to
Precious
precise. Very good. Very good. Precise. Okay. I will send it to you in the group as we finish. Now I need you to open your reading street, please. Open your reading street, please. Okay. Ghunaim.
Yes, teacher.
Ghunaim.
Yes, teacher.
What is the title of our story?
Our story, the case of the gasping grabbing.
Garbage. Very good. The case of the gasping garbage. Very good. What is the genre, Ghunaim?
Genre of the story,
Yes.
illustrated sentence.
The genre. What is the
The
genre?
genre, the Barbara and John Hansen and Newman.
No, the genre here. What is the genre, Yazan?
Realistic fiction.
Very good. The genre, Ghunaim, is realistic
Fiction.
fiction. Yazan, what is the meaning of realistic fiction?
It means it's not in the it don't happen in the real life.
It could happen in real life. It could
Happen in the real life.
happen in real life. Very good. Or it can happen in real life. Amazing. Let's go to read. Let me share the computer sound. Here it is. Let's listen.
Monster Mission. Introducing Doyle and Fossey, science detectives. Known throughout the 5th grade for their relentless pursuit of answers. And not just any answers, the right answers.
The right answers. Now I have a question, Omar. Omar? Omar Hisham? Okay, he's not here. Okay, Ahmed Usama?
Yes.
Who are the characters here in this story?
Dory and Fossey science detective.
Very good. Doyle and
Fossey science
Fossey. Very good. So here, if we answer here, if we say here, who are the characters? Doyle and Fossey. It's a Y. Doyle and Fossey. Okay. So here, let's complete reading.
On a damp, drizzly day, in an attic not too far away. Drake Doyle worked alone in his homemade laboratory.
I have another question here. Abdurrahman?
Yes,
Abdurrahman, where did the story take place? What is the setting of the story?
the sitting
Yes,
in the laboratory.
in the laboratory. Where is that laboratory?
Uh,
Yes, mister. There was a problem in my mic.
Where is that laboratory? Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman?
yes,
Where is it, In an
attic.
attic. Very good. You know what is an
What
attic?
means attic?
Yes, the attic is the triangle of the house. You know the house?
Yes,
There is the house, for example, if we're going to draw a house, let me draw. How are we going to draw here? Here, like this, that, and that one. And there is the house, right?
yes,
This is called the attic. This is called
the attic.
attic.
Mister, I am Omar Hisham.
Yes, I know, Omar. I will ask you after just 2 or 3 minutes, okay?
Okay.
So Abdurrahman, do you know what's an attic?
The 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 triangle that up of the house.
Yes, very good. That's over the house. Very good. Amazing. Very good. So that's the attic. Okay.
Okay.
Let's erase it because we need to write. So can you please answer the question and tell me what is the setting of the story?
Okay. The setting of the story
Yes.
is that
In the attic.
attic
Yes, very good. In the homemade
in
lab.
the homemade
Laboratory. Very good. Yazan, realistic fiction can happen in real life. Can happen in real life. It didn't happen, but it can happen. Okay? Let's complete.
The laboratory was filled with the latest scientific equipment. A chalkboard, racks of test tubes, flasks and beakers, dozens of sharpened pencils, and a lab coat with his name on it. Drake's hair was quite wild. Some would say it stuck straight up. And the color of toast. Cinnamon toast, that is. And perched on the end of his nose was a pair of round glasses, making him look very scientific indeed. Which, of course, he was. On this damp...
Here, Omar Hisham, I have a question for you now.
Yes.
When I read this paragraph, okay,
Okay.
it tells me what about Drake? Omar?
About what he is wearing and how he was looking.
Very good. It describes him, right?
Right.
So if you close your eyes, everyone, and imagine Drake, can you imagine him? His hair is up and it's kinda orange, right?
Right.
And he has glasses. Yes?
Yes.
So, how he looked, very good, Zain. So here he is describing Drake, and we are using our imagination to visualize or imagine who?
Who's
Drake.
him?
Yes, Drake. We are imagining his hair, his glasses, his coat, right?
Right.
Yes, amazing.
Damp, drizzly day. An experiment was underway. A very
Mute myself.
experiment.
Yes, sure.
The solution in the test tube fizzed and popped. Drake Doyle glanced at his watch, then scribbled the results in his lab notebook. Fizzed and popped. Right on time. Not a second late. Experiment a success.
Experiment a success. So Malik,
Yes. Yes.
can you please tell me what was he doing? He was making a what?
He
Yes, he was making a what?
was making
Huh? He was making a what?
he was making an experiment.
An experiment. Very good. He was making an experiment. Did it succeed or fail?
Succeeded.
Succeeded. Amazing. It succeeded. What is it? We don't know. So we are going to know now. Thank you, Malik.
Drake slapped his notebook shut. Serious scientists always slap their notebooks shut. He shoved his pencil behind his ear, just as the phone rang. Doyle and Fossey, he answered, speaking in his best scientific voice. Nell Fossey was Drake's lab partner. They were in business together. Serious business. Their business card read, Doyle and Fossey, science detectives. Call us anytime. 555-7822. Hurry, hurry! It's a emergency, someone screamed on the other end of the phone. There's a monster in my garbage can. Drake pushed up his glasses with his finger. Obviously, this was an important phone call. Very important. And important phone calls were more important than important experiments. He set his test tubes aside. Who is this? He asked.
Who is this? He asks. That means Malik Sahir. Malik?
Good morning.
Malik?
Good morning, mister.
Good morning. Is he interested in the phone call more than the experiment, or the experiment more than the phone call?
Experiment more than the phone.
Are you sure? Because it says here what? Can you read this?
This was an important phone call. Very important, and important phone calls were important than important experiments.
Experiments. So the phone calls are important than the experiments, or the experiments are more important than the phone calls?
Phone calls are more than important than the
Wake up, Malik. The phone calls are more important than the experiments, right?
yes.
Yes, amazing. Just give me a minute. Let's go to the next page, page 30.
Gabby Tallberg, she shrieked. Hurry, hurry! Oh, hi, Gabby. Gabby Tallberg was in Drake's 5th grade class at school. She was a nice girl, even if she did talk too much. Now calm down and speak slowly. What seems to be the problem? Speak slowly? Are you nuts? I said there's a huge, giant, blood-sucking monster in my garbage can, and it's growing bigger and bigger every second, and I'm alone in the house, and it's going to gobble me up, and I don't want to be someone's dinner. Gabby gasped for breath. Drake was excited. This could prove to be a great day for Doyle and Fossey, science detectives.
Here I have another question. Muhammad Abdul Basit.
Yes, Master.
Now here, Gabby. Did Gabby speak slowly?
No, speak with high voice.
She spoke quickly, right?
Yes. She
That
is
means that when someone speaks quickly, he is what?
scary.
Scared. Very good. So is she scared or is she fine and relaxed?
No, she is scared because
She is scared.
she
Why?
speaks
Why is she scared, Muhammad?
because she because
Because there's a monster in her garbage, right?
yes.
Yes, very good. And it's going to do what?
She ran from him.
Huh? It's going to do what?
Run
Not run. To do what?
to
Eat Gabby. Right?
yes. The monster will eat Gabby.
Yes, the monster will eat Gabby. So she is so
Scary.
scared. Very good. That's why she called who?
She called.
Hmm? She called? Huh? Drake. She called Drake Doyle.
Drake.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Muhammad.
They'd never had a monster assignment before. And of course, it would be a great day for the small town of Mossy Lake. They'd publish their findings in the local newspaper. Garbage-eating monster discovered. Mossy Lake's garbage problems solved. Maybe they'd even lecture at Mossy Lake University. But Drake couldn't allow his excitement to overwhelm his good scientific sense. That was the first rule of science. And Drake was a stickler about rules of science.
And Drake was a stickler about rules of science. Okay, so I have many questions to ask you guys, but I won't be able to ask you now. I'll ask you next reading period, which is next week. Okay, we will have a quick revision, then I will ask you. But for now, thank you for this great period. I loved every part of it. You were amazing, amazing, amazing. I love you so much, guys, and I'll see you again in like 20 minutes. Bye.